Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss all trigonometric formula, how to crack all the formula within 10 minutes. You don't have to learn anything or remind anything, just follow the trick and all the trigonometric formula will be in your hands. You just have to write CDO. I am going to tell you what is the meaning of CDO. C means cos, D means doublet and O means opposite side. These four formula, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B, sin of A plus B and sin of A minus B. These are the basics of fully trigonometry. You just have to crack these four. All other formulas are based on these four. Just follow the tricks. C means cos. It will start from cos. D means doublet. Matlab there will be doublet. So doublet of cos. Cos A, cos B. Opposite side, this is plus, opposite side means minus. So there will be doublet again, that will be of sin of A, sin of B. Similarly, this is cos of A, cos of B, opposite sign minus plus sin of A, sin of B. So CDO is working here. Next two formula, just oppose CDO. No cos, no doublet and no opposite side. No cos means it will be sin of A. No doublet means it will be cos of B. No opposite side means it will be plus cos of A, sin of B. Similarly, this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. These are four formulas that are based on CDO. Let's move to next. Cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. There are four formulas that are based on cos 2x and these all will be solved by this. How did it become? Just cos 2x, you need cos 2x, this is your equation 1. So put a and b x plus x. Cos 2x is equal to cos x into cos x, cos square x minus sin x into x, sin square x. For next formula, you know cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x and this is sin square x already. So next formula became 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is first, this is second. For third one, replace sin square x by 1 minus cos square x. So students, it will become cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. This is minus minus plus 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is third formula for cos 2x. For next one, fourth one, if I divide equation 1 by cos square x plus sin square x, it doesn't make any difference because this is equal to 1. Now taking cos square x in numerator and denominator or divide both by cos square x. If you divide numerator by cos square x, it will become 1 minus tangent square x. And when you will divide denominator by cos square x, it will become 1 plus tangent square x. So this is your fourth formula for cos 2x. Pause the video to note it down. Next one is sin 2x. Again, I am using these four formula. Look at the third one. How can it become sin 2x? If I replace a and b by x in third formula, it will become sin 2x and similarly यहाँ पर sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. So the formula is 2 sin x cos x. Again x plus x sin 2x, sin x cos x plus cos x sin x, this is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Same procedure I am doing in this formula. Divide this by cos square x plus sin square x. Does it make any difference? No. If I divide it by sin square x plus cos square x, no difference occurred. Again, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So in numerator it will become 2 tangent x and in denominator it will become 1 plus tangent square x. This is first formula sin 2x and this is second one for sin 2x. After that I am proceeding to tangent 2x. What is the formula for tangent 2x and how did it become before it? let's discuss tangent of x plus y. This is equal to what? Tangent x plus tangent y upon 1 minus tangent x tangent y. This is tangent x plus y. If I replace y by x, it will give tangent 2x. Same here, tangent x plus tangent x means 2 tangent x, and in divide it will become 1 minus tangent square x. This is for tangent 2x, and this is what? Tangent of x plus y. Pause the video to note it down. Next one is sin 3x and cos 3x. For sin 3x you have to remind 34, and for cos 3x you have to remind 43. What is meaning of 34? It means it will start from 3. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. And in this 43, reverse 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is 43. Let's proceed. Next form is sum to product. Sum to product means sum to product. In left hand side you will get sum form, and in right hand side you will get product form. There are some formula in your book that is written in cos C plus cos D, but I am taking here A and B. That doesn't make any difference. Cos of A plus cos of B, sin of A plus sin of B, and sin of A minus sin of B. Fourth one is cos of A minus cos of B. Left hand side you can see sum, and in right hand side there will be product form. One thing will be common in all the formula, that A plus B by 2 and A minus B by 2. It will came in all the formula. A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. Again here A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. And fourth one as well, A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. Now what to do? Let's compare this cos A plus cos B by this one, cos of A plus B. Obviously you know that A square plus B is not equal to A plus B whole square, but it can be compared because in both you can see cos of A plus cos B and cos A plus B. What to do? When there is positive sign, you have to pick first pair. When there is negative sign, you have to pick second pair. I will compare this by equation 1. The first pair, cos and cos. You have already written angles. Just find out whether it will be cos or sin. Compare this sin A plus sin B by sin of A plus B. There is positive sign, means first pair will be considered for sin and cos. Sin A minus sin B, compare this by this one. When there is negative sign, you will pick second pair, so cos and sin. Cos and sin. For fourth one thing is there will be negative sign outside of cos A minus cos B. Because this is cos of A minus B, so second pair will be picked, which is sin and sin. This is how we do sum to product formula. Pause the video to note it down. Yes students, our next form is product to sum. It means you will find product on left hand side and sum on right hand side. 2 cos A cos B. And one thing I forgot to tell you, that there will be 2 in every formula in case of sum to product. 2 cos, 2 sin, 2. In sum to product, I forgot to write it down. Sum to product form, there will be 2 in every formula on right hand side. Okay, that is 2 coming here. So next one is 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos B, and next one is 2 cos A sin B. Again, these four formula will play an important role for these 4. You can see I am writing down the equation 1, 2, 3, 4. we need twice of cos A cos B on left hand side. If I add these two equations, matlab adding 1 plus 2, you will get twice of cos A cos B. It will cancel out and just add these two. It will become cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. For second one, twice of sin A sin B. We need sin A sin B twice. So what we have to do? 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. It will become twice of sin A sin B. Cancel out this minus this. So cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Next one, we need twice of sin A cos B. This is your sin A cos B. You just have to add these two. It will cancel out. Addition of these two will be your answer. So sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Next one, we need twice of cos A sin B. Cos A sin B, cos A sin B. It means you have to do 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. It will become twice, cancel out, and the answer will be sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So this is how we can crack all the formula of trigonometry. This one is product to sum, and the previous one was sum to product form. Thank you.